We go hotel hopping. Now we try a cheaper hotel, and the name is Hotel Faber Park. So this Hotel Faber Park is like almost like an Ibis hotel. Huh? This area I think is for breakfast. So we're waiting for our room. So this is pretty brand new, just 1 year old building. So we are ready to check out the room, and we are being helped by one of the staff. Okay, 605 is the room number, and goes Berna. Okay, that's Berna, and that's a small bed, and this is, well, at least we have a nice balcony with a small room, 15 square meter. At least you have a balcony. So we are going to stay here just for an overnight, Berna, from Swiss Hotel to a smaller room. Yes, it's very small. Well, it's actually more of an Ibis hotel. Let's check out the toilet. Okay, small toilet, but it's good enough with rain shower. Okay, my best chair. Yung maliit na working working space, oh. Liit lang talaga. Ang layo sa Swiss Hotel. Aba, para may kitchen pa dyan, Berna. Small kitchen. At least maganda yung balcony niya. Oh. Okay, dito muna tayo sa balcony at enjoy the view. Sama sa swimming pool yan, ano, Berna? May swimming pool naman, against the light. Maliit lang. Pero at least, pwede ka mag-laps. Anytime na gusto mo mag-laps, pwede. Hindi lang gano'ng makita. Ito na ngayon ang kalye with a very nice building sa harapan. Ganda ng building, oh. Ganda ng kapitbahay niya. Wow, what a nice building. Hindi against the light. Oh. Okay, so maganda rin ang kanyang lobby, oh. Yan si Berna, nag-aantay kami ng Grab, oh. Ganda rin ang kanyang wall, Berna, oh. Tama yung wall niya, oh. Yung wall niya, oh, panay halaman, oh. Ganda rin, oh. Hindi ako nakita ng wall na panay halaman. Dito, kung gusto nyo makatipid, dito sa Hotel Faber Park, ha? Kita mo naman nyo, ha? Bragong hotel. Less than 5,000 pesos per night.